Ever wonder why you might feel pregnancy symptoms just days after intimacy? Let's break it down with some science from Ubie Health. After intercourse, sperm can fertilize an egg in just 24 hours, but your body won't produce HCG, the hormone causing nausea and fatigue, until implantation. Once HCG rises, early signs can show up, like fatigue or mild nausea, as soon as a week post-conception. Most women notice symptoms around the time of a missed period, 10-14 days after fertilization. If you're sensitive to hormonal changes, you might feel symptoms even sooner. Worried you've missed the earliest signs? Why wait for a test when you could check what's going on right now? For free with the Ubie Symptom Checker, the only free doctor-approved AI trusted by million users. And don't forget to like and follow for more real health tips you can trust.